The Bible speaks about how God is slow to anger. He is slow to anger. I promise you that. Because every time mawukhuleka ucela ukuthi akuphendulele kuzitha zakho, it looks like it's not happening. It looks like it's not happening. Kanti no, he is moving because of ekugcineni into thina esiyidingayo kuNkulunkulu is for him to say one word. He just needs to move by one, and then everything crumbles down. So don't stop praying ucabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu akamuvi. He is moving. He is moving. And let me tell you something. He's a righteous judge. While we are praying for these enemies to be defeated, he's also looking at these enemies and weighing ukuthi bayakiyeka na okanye abakiyeki. Nabangakiyeki yilaba azobona ubumnyama bakhe. Yilaba azombona ukuthi uyile nkosi nje yazi mayithi iba merciless yamosha fa and akakushayi wena wedwa ukushana abantwana bakho ukushana lama generations that have to come. So he is slow to wrath, he is slow to anger because of uyazazi ukuthi makangakhipha le anger yakhe, makangakhipha leli cycle lakhe lobumnyama, hayi awuzulungelwa, uzofisa ukuthi akuthathe manje. Athi angikuthathe, ngifuna nje ukubukisa ngawe, ngifuna abantu bakubuke. So pray and wait. Ulokolu uyakhuleka, balokolu bayawonwa ngawo ukuthi abakiyeke, kodwa abakiyeke, qhubeka ukhuleke. The wrath of God kuzoba ngathi baloyiwe bangaloywanga, and into ebuhlungu uzobe ubazwela, ungabazweli. Amen.